All right, good morning. Welcome to the Omnivue Podcast. My name is Ben. I'm the project manager at Omnivue. You might have seen Eddie as well. Eddie's not here today. He is out doing what he does, connecting with clients and making sales and all that good stuff. So I'm going to be going over our podcast today. You might have tuned in last week. We've been going over the 4 C's of Control 4. So last week we went over maximizing comfort and really making sure that your space is like the mood that you want it to be, and that you are most comfortable in your home or in your business, and how we can help you do that through Control 4. And today we're going to be going over customization, streamlining customization, and this one's really important. It's sort of what Control 4 is all about. So just jump right in. The first point of streamlining a customized Control 4 platform is that we don't want to box you into a limited control. So I'm not going to rip on any specific automation platforms. You know, we're fans of automation in general, but we definitely do like Control 4 in the way that it handles a deep control of devices. So what that means is, let's say just automation platform X, a competitor or whatever, might be able to turn on your TV at a command, but it doesn't actually have the ability to go into your TV and select maybe a watch source, or you name it, whatever system, climate, audio. It can perhaps power on a device, but to that extent, that's pretty much it for some. So what Control 4 is really good about doing, it has the ability to reach into a device and control it with detail. So with Control 4, you're going to be able to turn on your TV, but also, and this is all with the push of a button, also perhaps you'll select a watch source like an input, and even what you would like to do further. If it's Netflix, it'll perhaps go to your favorites list. And it's not much, but it really gives the customer a feeling of it's a tailor-made system specifically to them, and that's a big deal for us. Another point on streamlining customization is the scenes. So we talked about scenes a little bit last week when we talked about comfort. And a scene, just to refresh, is basically just a whole tree of programming code that's going to enable the customer to accomplish a lot of different tasks and bring their systems together to, at the same time, create a certain mood or do a certain, like a macro task, like a good night scene will lock the door and arm the alarm system and turn off all the lights in the house, turn off the music. It'll turn the cameras to continuous recording mode, something like that. So that's an example of a scene. And that's really where we can get into the customization of Control 4. And you might be the kind of person that, you know, I'll take it to a goofy degree just to show how customizable it is. You know, you can have a keypad, a Control 4 keypad on your wall, and on one of the buttons, factory etched, could say the happy time. And when you press that button, your speakers turn on with Happy by Pharrell Williams. Some might remember from about 4 years ago when that was a smash hit. Your lights might strobe. Obviously, this is all depending on the capability of your devices. But the point is, the customization for that is available. And you might be the type of person that wants a happy time scene, and that's fine. You know, I respect that. But the point is, we can come in, we can make that programming happen, and really turn your house into exactly what you want it to be. Another point of customization, and this is sort of let in, is that scenes can give that wow factor, and this is more important to some people than it is to others. But perhaps you have company over, and it's a pretty big deal when you can just press a button and all of a sudden you're ready for a dinner party. Your lights slowly over 3 seconds will ramp down to 30%. You'll have classical music softly come on the speakers. You can have different lighting scenes. It's all really complex, but with a lot of ease, you can just make your space exactly how you want it. Perhaps in your business, you're going for a certain mood or feel, and you can accomplish that extremely easily. So there's a big wow factor there as well, and it's easier to show than to describe. So we're excited about getting some more content for you guys over the next weeks, so we can actually show you, because some of these things really need to be shown, but the wow factor is a big deal, and people know it when they see it. And then the last point is going to be the customization that's available with the app interface. So there's a Control4 app that goes on Android and iOS devices, and the customization available for the app is much like your home screen on your smartphone. So you can move around your different buttons for your systems. You can add in new icons. You can customize the icons for all of that. You can add an icon for a favorite radio station. It's really up to you what you want to do. You can set custom backgrounds. The way that the interface works is based on rooms. So you'll select the room that you want to control, and then the home screen of that room will show up. And what's very popular is that we'll take a picture of the room that is being controlled for our customer, and it makes it really easy for them. But it's really whatever you want to do. So that level of customization, even for the customer interface, is really special, and it makes us be able to provide even a look of an interface that the customer is going to be very pleased with, give them the feeling that they created their system and their automation to some degree. And nobody knows your home better than you do. Nobody knows your business better than you do, and how you want it to look, and how you would like to control it, and how you want even the control experience to be. So we're very happy to do that for our customers. They've been very happy with the interface. So that's another point of customization. So just to wrap it up, really Streamlining Customization in Control4 is wrapped up in a detailed control of your connected systems, being able to go in beyond just a power up and accomplish tasks for you, so you don't ever have to pick up that native remote. It's going to be those powerful wow factor type scenes that are really just going to give you the feeling that you have a well-tailored home, and it's going to impress others as well if you're into that. And just a beautifully and deeply customizable interface. It's sort of that cherry on top that we love to leave our customers with, something that they have customized, that they have created, and the customization goes on from there. The customer is able to, as far as that interface goes, they're able to set what they would like on there. So we're really happy to do that for our customers. So that about wraps it up for today. Thanks a lot for joining us. If you'd like to learn more about automation and about Control4, please click the link, and we'd love to hear from you. Have a good one.